Okay, let's talk about solving polynomial function using factoring. So let's have this example. We have p of x is equal to x raised to 3 plus 2x squared minus x minus 2. Let's solve this polynomial function using factoring. So our first step is for us to equate this polynomial function to 0. So changing the polynomial function to 0. So we will have x raised to 3 plus 2x squared minus x minus 2 and equate it to 0. Then after that, we will apply factoring by grouping. So we will group our first and second term and third and fourth term. Then add the addition symbol in between. Now after we group them, we will apply common monomial factoring and factoring each group. So let's factor our first group. Their common factor is x raised to 2. So we will have x plus 2. Then, for the second group, let's identify their common factor. They are both negative. Therefore, we will factor negative 1. So we will have x plus 2. Now, after we factor each group using common monomial factoring, we can observe that we have a common factor, which is x plus 2. We will copy x plus 2, and then the remaining factor will be x squared minus 1. Then we equate it to 0. Then after that, let's equate each factor to 0. So equating each factor to 0, we have x plus 2 is equal to 0. And then x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Then let's solve for the value of x. So let's start first with x plus 2. We subtract both sides by 2, giving us x is equal to negative 2. Then, for the other factor, let's solve for the value of x. Let's add both sides by 1. So that will give us x squared is equal to 1. Then, let's get the square root of both sides. So in getting the square root of both sides, we can eliminate the exponent 2. So we will have x is equal to, and every time we apply the square root property in an equation, we will get both positive and negative roots of a number. So we will have the square root of 1 and get the positive and negative root of square root of 1. So the square root of 1 is 1. Therefore, we will have positive, negative 1 as our answer. Now, we already solved for the value of x. Let's write our final answer. The value of x for this polynomial function will be negative 2, comma, positive 1, and then negative 1. And that will be our final answer. Alright. Ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.